TagAI is a platform that can be very interesting for those seeking opportunities in memecoins, community tokens, post-to-earn airdrops, and also for those who want to launch their own token for their community.
Hello everyone, I am Vinicius Ferrero, and today we will talk a little about the TagAI platform that recently arrived on the Nuls mainnet.
For regular users, this platform offers the opportunity to earn tokens by posting, interacting with them, and engaging with their communities.
For content creators, traders, or memecoin communities, it offers the possibility to launch their own token with much of the process automated.
The token creator does not keep the tokens, there is a liquidity injection system from the first purchases, and there is also an airdrop system through posts and community engagement. When a project or content creator creates a token here, it already comes with a standard supply of 1 billion units. 15% of this supply is dedicated to a social distribution, meaning a social airdrop, which is basically an incentive for people who contribute to the project. This is where the earning opportunity lies for regular users on this platform. I am already participating in the TagAI token, which is the platform's native token, and theoretically, I will earn $5 in tokens because of a tweet I made. But soon, I will show you a step-by-step guide on how to do this.
First, let's finish talking about the token.
70% of the total supply of all tokens launched here goes to the bonding curve, which is a mathematical curve that considers supply and demand. The more people buy, the higher the token price increases, and part of this transaction is directed to liquidity along with the remaining 15%. Once these initial purchases reach a certain value, this value along with the remaining tokens will be added as liquidity on a decentralized exchange, which in the case of Nuls is NullSwap. Once this liquidity is added by the system itself, it will be burned, meaning it will remain there permanently. So basically it is a launch without a pre-sale, without team allocation, and with an equal opportunity for everyone following the project creator who launches their token here. Additionally, it is also planned that 1% of the trading fees from this created token will be shared between the token creator and the Blinks creators, who create content about this token using specific hashtags which the platform will monitor. In the future, all of this will be linked to an artificial intelligence agent, one agent for each token created on the platform. Apparently, this AI will have a social media profile, evaluate all community posts using the token's hashtags, and use this database to make decisions. Community members themselves will be able to make proposals for changes to the token or project, and the AI will use the database based on other participants' opinions to decide whether to implement these changes or not. Now let's get into the practical part and talk about how you can earn through this platform.
There are basically two ways to earn: by making posts and by evaluating posts. However, I recommend interacting with the projects you are posting about, liking official announcements, retweeting, and following the TagAI page, which I will leave in the description for you. Your engagement can give you a boost in your earnings when performing these tasks. To help you understand better, I made this post 1 day ago, and the platform enabled it for monetization because I did everything correctly. When I posted it, there was no monetization. But once someone curated my post, indicating whether it was good or bad, my reward increased to almost $4. This curator would receive about half, and I would receive the other half. Later, I received another evaluation. However, since it was a new user with no tokens or score, it did not increase my reward. Finally, a third user with good platform engagement evaluated it, and my reward instantly jumped from $4 to $11. This reward is not entirely mine.
The author usually keeps half of the total post value, and the curators divide the rest. But remember, it is not divided equally. Curators with higher scores and better community credit will earn more, while those with lower scores will earn less. You can do both: create content and evaluate content.
In practice, the first step is to have a Naybox wallet on your computer. There is already a step-by-step video on the channel showing how to create yours. The second step is to create your account on the platform at nuls.tag.ai.fan. I will leave the link in the description. Naybox is compatible with the Nuls network, which is the network we are presenting here. However, this platform is also available on the BSC, Base, and Nuls networks. I will stick with Nuls for now.
One important note: each blockchain network will have different tokens and projects.
Each creator decides which network to work with. To create your account, you need to connect your Twitter account and your wallet. On the Nuls blockchain, you will connect using the Naybox wallet because it is compatible with this network.
By the way, Naybox is also compatible with the other networks on this platform.
After creating your account and connecting your wallet, the next step is to choose the project you want to post about on Twitter. You will need to make a post and include the specific hashtags.
I recommend starting with the TagAI token since it is the platform's native token, making it easier to create an introductory post. In my case, I made this post on my Twitter, and the platform enabled it. If I click on TagAI, my post appears on the list below. You can structure your post however you like, discussing about the project, the token, or your experience. The key is to pay attention to the hashtags. Tip 1. Avoid making long posts and do not place the hashtags too far down in your text. As you can see, most posts are short so that the system can recognize them. If your text is too long and the hashtags are at the bottom, the system may not recognize them. Tip 2. When you log into your account, select the project, and click Post to Earn followed by Tweet on Chain. A field will open for you to write your tweet. If you write and tweet from there, the TagAI hashtag will be automatically added, which is required for recognition on the platform. However, I also recommend adding the platform's TagAI hashtag and the Nuls hashtag for better recognition. Once posted, you must wait a few minutes for recognition. To track your posts, just click on your profile up here, and the posts that have been recognized will appear on this list. This one was monetized, and these two were test posts I made.
This is the third post I'm waiting to be monetized.
The more people and engagement I get on this post, the better the monetization will be.
Posts are not infinite.
Each post consumes energy called OP, which depletes over time. This energy recharges in about 3 days.
Tweets are typically paid out in 4 days. Now, let's talk about the second way to earn, that is curating posts.
Click on a project, select a post, and click the fire icon to evaluate it. You can use your VPs to rate posts.
Higher engagement and better account quality lead to better rewards. If you want to create your own token, it's simple.
Just access the platform, log into your account, connect your wallet, and click on the Create TagCoin button at the top.
First, you need to enter the token's name. I'll use NoobTest as an example. Second, you need to provide a description for your token or project. I'll write that it's a test token. Third, you can upload your token's logo to make it look more professional. Here, you'll add a tag. For example, let's say the tag is meme coin or AI project, okay?
Generally, projects add 1 to 3 tags in this field.
As far as I know, these tags are also relevant for the social airdrop.
But don't add too many to avoid making it difficult for people to find. Enter the Twitter profile of the project or the token creator, and also add the Telegram group if you have one.
You can also provide the documentation link if you have a website presenting the token or project.
Here, you can choose whether you want to start by purchasing some of your own tokens.
In other words, if you want to hold your own tokens, you need to buy them.
Notice that as you increase the number of tokens you purchase, the price increases exponentially. This is part of the mathematical formula that raises the token price as more people buy it. So, you can decide how many tokens to purchase at the beginning if you want to.
The cost to create a token on the platform is just 5 nuls. That is an extremely low fee. Once you've created your token, simply return to the website's homepage by clicking on the logo.
Then, your token should appear on the list, just like the 2 tokens I created for testing. By clicking on the tokens page, people will be able to buy or sell your token if there is any initial liquidity. After the first purchase, the mathematical calculation I mentioned earlier will be applied. The platform already handles the entire trading process, and soon the post-to-earn feature will also be available.
By clicking on your profile at the top, you'll have access to Blink, which represents the fees generated from trading your token.
In the Create TagCoins section, you'll see all the tokens you've created.
If your goal is to create your own token, I recommend first making a test token to better understand how the platform works.
Run a few tests, invite your friends to help you, and only then proceed to create your official token. Since the creation fee is so low, it's totally feasible to perform these tests beforehand.
So, what did you think of this content? Did you like it? If so, I invite you to leave a like below. It's 100% free and helps support our work on YouTube.
And if you don't want to miss out on more content and opportunities like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you'll be alerted as soon as I post new content.
That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.